Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you the second half of February bullet journal setup. Since next week it is 11th, so we're gonna set it up the next week and the week after next week. I'm trying this new thing because otherwise my video will be too long, and personally it's very exhausting to film and very exhausting to draw, so I figure let's try this. And for next week I start drawing kind of like arcade game machine, and you know, in the 90s, I don't know about you, but I was obsessed with Pac-Man. I remember the first thing when I get off school is to play Pac-Man with my cousins, so this is the reason I chose this theme. And I try to cooperate with kind of like Memphis kind of doodles around the machine. You will see it later. I kind of use the same colors, same like wiggly lines and stuff like that. So there's nothing else to explain when it comes to this page, so I'll just let you guys look at the video and listen to the music. Then you can see I am trying to draw different kind of, I don't know what you call it, like in English, it's kind of like a ghost. It's very cute, like floating around, and then I added the dots as division lines. Next page, I am using tape as my theme. I don't know about you guys, but when I was especially like in primary school, I remember I listened to a lot of tapes. I also bought a lot of tape. I also kind of begged my parents to buy me a lot of tapes because I don't know, I love, first of all, I love music, and second of all, I don't know, back in that time it feels like when you have a Walkman, it's just very kind of cool kids, I guess. So I'm just drawing like 3 tape kind of in a different direction, and drawing some more details with my fine liner, and added different color on the tape. So yeah, after I finish all the dates, I just draw some triangles just to fit in with the theme. And you can see here is kind of like a slow shot. How is the details look like? Last page, as usual, it is my memory page, and I kind of use the same font as my one line a day, of course using the colors that I chose. and after this page, we're done. So here's a little flip through, and I hope you guys liked the video. You will see there is like an empty page in between here because I'm leaving to Egypt tomorrow. I kind of want to leave that page for my memories. So I hope you guys liked this video, like I said, and I will see you next time.